Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ardo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now, India is celebrating Durga Puja, which is an important festival in the tradition of Hinduism. Durga Puja is an annual Hindu festival originating in the Indian subcontinent which reveres and pays homage to the Hindu goddess Durga and is celebrated because of the victory of Durga over Mahishasur. The festival is observed in the Indian calendar month of Ashwin, which corresponds to the month of September and October, and is a 10-day festival. The puja is performed in homes and in public, and the goddess is featured on a temporary stage and structural decorations known as pandals. In today's video, I am going to speak about how the city gears up and can be seen a look of eagerness and excitement as it prepares itself to welcome the goddess home. So please continue to watch the entire video, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Durga Puja has its own unique rituals. A week before the celebrations, the idols of goddess Durga are being painted and made ready except for the eyes. On the occasion of Mahalaya, the goddess is invited on earth with rituals, and so on this day, the eyes are drawn on the idols in an auspicious ritual called Chokkudan. It is believed the goddess descends to earth at the time of drawing the eyes on the idols. The festival of Durga Puja is celebrated for 10 days. And the pandals with grand idols of goddess Durga are open for all to visit. On the 10th day, also known as Dashami, marks the Visarjan, immersion in water of the idol with grand celebration and processions. And now I'm going to take you through few of the famous South Kolkata stage and structural decorations, also known as pandals. Hope you enjoy it. Please note that the music that you will be hearing in this video is of Thak. Now, the stimulating and energizing beat of the Thak sets the rhythm and heightens the fervor during the puja-centric ceremonies in West Bengal, India. The Thak literally beckons you to break the barriers of whatever is holding you and to celebrate the joy of victory. Ultimately, that is the message of the festival: victory over evil. The gorgeously decorated pandals each emphasize a theme, be it the legends of goddess Durga or scenes from Hindu epic texts. Nowadays, some pandals are themed on social media cause to spread awareness. The brightly lit pandals in hundreds of colors is quite a sight of its own in the evenings. If you are in Kolkata during Durga Puja, you must not miss the grand celebrations. The preparations for the festival are as fascinating as the festival itself. According to Hindu mythology, goddess Durga emerged from the collective energy of all the kings and gods as an embodiment of Shakti or divine feminine power to destroy demon Mahishasur, who was blessed to not be defeated by any man or god. The name Durga in Sanskrit means the impenetrable. She exists in a state of self-sufficiency and in ultimate power. This powerful form of Mother Goddess is highly revered in India, especially in Kolkata, West Bengal, which is why her return is celebrated with much grandeur and ceremonies. This grand social event of Durga Puja showcases the beautiful culture of the Bengalis in West Bengal, India. The evenings during Kolkata Durga Puja witness the streets packed with thousands of people, both locals and tourists alike, who come to see the large, beautifully decorated idols of goddess Durga to offer the prayers, eat, at the numerous stalls that pop up in the streets and take part in the grand celebrations to honor the victory of Goddess Durga over evil. There are hundreds of colorful and thematic pandals that are temporarily set up in street corners and parks with idols of the goddess Durga and her family members prepared in varied styles. From north to south and east to west in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, there are thousands of Durga Puja in each and every corner, lane and by lane. The streets of Kolkata constantly witness waves of darshanarthis or pandal hopping pilgrims dressed in the best way possible amid pandemic situations. While the COVID situation is a little better this year, the weather is giving trouble to the pandal hoppers. Regardless to this, it is time for the annual extravaganza concerning Durga Puja, the greatest social and cultural feast of Bengal. An estimated 36,000 community pujas are held across the state of West Bengal. In Kolkata, various clubs host 2,500 pujas. These are just the clubs that are registered with the state government. Apart from this, there are pujas held in housing society and residences. The festive and the creative economy around it provide employment and income to artists, artisans, and laborers on various scales. Domestic and international tourism to and out of the city of Kolkata during the festive season also gets a boost. Durga Puja has a significant impact not only on the state's national and international image but also on West Bengal's revenue. While the festival of Durga Puja is without a doubt celebrated grandiosely across the world, in Kolkata, India, West Bengal, the vigor with which it is celebrated is second to none. So guys, I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. May Goddess Durga bless you with a happy, healthy and prosperous life. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.